Welcome to Fresa Technologies YouTube channel. In this video, we are going to see how to update and generate the inventory transaction in Fresa application. Initially, we have to log into Fresa application. After your successful login, this is how your dashboard looks. Here, we have to select the required job. Now, the job page will be displayed on the screen. On this job page, we have to click on the inventory tab. If we want to enter multiple inventory details, we can click on the grid button. Otherwise, we can click the add button. On this inventory edit page, we have to select the stock in or stock out option. Now we have to select the stock in option. If we have created an asset in Asset Master, it will be reflected here. Now we have to select the asset. Here we have to select the required date and enter the quantity. And also we have to enter the required details. Then we have to click the save button. Now the inventory has been updated according to the job. If you want to see the details of the inventory transaction, just go to the accounts module. Here we have to select the general accounts menu under the accounts module. Now we have to select the inventory transaction list menu. On this page, we have to select the date range. Here we have to enter the job number. Then we have to click the submit button. Now the inventory transaction details will be displayed for this job. If we want to download these transaction details, here we have to click the options menu. Then we have to click the download button to download this report. This is how to update and generate the inventory transaction in Fresa application. Thanks for watching.